Imagine this. You've just landed in Bali, the island of gods, surrounded by emerald green rice terraces, the scent of frangipani flowers in the air, and the sound of the ocean waves calling you to explore. But here's the twist. What if I told you that you could experience all of this without breaking the bank? Sounds impossible, right? Well, stay tuned because today I'm going to show you how to travel cheap in paradise. Bali on a budget. Cut to stunning Bali landscapes. First, let's talk about flights. Bali might feel like a dream destination, but don't let that scare you away from booking your ticket. With budget airlines like AirAsia or Vietjet and tools like Skyscanner, you can easily find cheap flights. If you're flexible with your dates and book in advance, you'll find some great deals. Tip: avoid the peak season, travel in the shoulder months, like April or September, and watch the savings pile up. Cut to shots of budget accommodations. Once you've landed in Bali, the next question is, where are you going to stay? Well, don't stress. Bali has some of the most affordable accommodations in Southeast Asia. Whether it's a cozy guest house or a vibrant hostel, you can find a bed for as little as $6 a night. If you're after something a bit more private, homestays are a great option too, offering that authentic Balinese experience for only around $15 to $20 a night. Imagine waking up to the scent of fresh coffee and the view of a lush garden without emptying your wallet. Cut to street food and local warungs. Now let's talk food. Bali is a food lover's dream, but you don't need to spend big to enjoy it. Skip the fancy restaurants and head straight to the warungs, local family-run eateries where you can enjoy a delicious bowl of nasi goreng or a plate of satay for just a few dollars. The best part? You'll be eating just like the locals, experiencing the true flavors of Bali for next to nothing. Cut to a scene of a scooter ride. Ready to explore? Don't waste money on taxis. Rent a scooter instead. For as low as $5 a day, you can zoom around Bali's stunning beaches, jungles, and temples at your own pace. It's the best way to feel the wind in your hair and discover hidden gems. And don't worry, if you're new to riding a scooter, there are plenty of local guides who'll take you on exciting tours for a very reasonable price. Cut to stunning scenes of Bali's nature. And when it comes to things to do, Bali's natural beauty is your playground. You can explore the breathtaking Tegalalang rice terraces, wander around ancient temples like Uluwatu, or hike up to Mount Batur for an unforgettable sunrise. Most of these activities cost less than $10. Bali's landscapes are free to enjoy, and trust me, they're worth every minute spent exploring. See? Bali doesn't have to be expensive. With a little planning, you can experience the best of this paradise on a budget. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and get ready to explore Bali without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word that Bali is for everyone, no matter your budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.